Hey guys, I made a large floor mirror with lighting. This is a requested video from someone who wanted using a Walmart mirror and turning it into something glam with little effort. This looks similar to what I've made before using cereal boxes. The link for this video is going to be in the description box below. For the requested video, I was asked to use a Walmart mirror to make something super glam and super easy. And this is what I came up with. And because I wanted it to look super interesting, I added lighting to it so that it would give an eye-catching view at night. Now let's go ahead and get started. I got a Walmart mirror and I prepped it for spray painting, and I spray painted it silver. I turned it to the back, and this is what the back looks like. And it's not strong, so I'm going to be using 2 foam boards and putting them together with duct tape. I cut a little piece of the board out so that the measurements would actually work with the design that I'm going to make. Now I took the board out and I spray painted the edges silver. After it was dry, I glued the mirror to the middle of the board using a strong adhesive, and I used an E6000 glue. This is the pack of bolts that I'm going to be using that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got 13 packs of these in total, and I'm going to be arranging all of them around the mirror. I did that so that I can see what it was going to look like before I glue it down. The space I left on the board at the bottom and at the top is 4 inches, and I did this so that however way you're going to be putting your mirror on the floor, it's going to be well balanced on the board and not on the plate. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'm using a Walmart mirror because of the requests, and it's large and it's super affordable. Now with this design that's going to be around the mirror, it makes the mirror look even larger. When I was done, this is what it looks like. It's so shiny and pretty. Now because I wanted to make it more glam, I'm going to be adding string lighting. And then this string lights that I'm using uses a remote, and the link is going to be in the description box below. I'm going to just tuck in the lighting inside. I don't need to glue it down because the plate on its own is going to hold it from coming out. So all I did was just tuck it in around the whole mirror, and then I glued the battery pack at the back of the board. Super easy, right? In the request, I was asked to make something super easy, and honestly, this is super easy to make. And it's so shiny, and it's unbelievable that it's a Walmart mirror with Dollar Tree plates. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is another large floor mirror that I did using cereal boxes, and the link is going to pop up at the top right, and it's also going to be in the description box below. I really love how this one also turned out, using Dollar Tree plates to decorate a Walmart mirror. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this awesome idea, and remember to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.